We apologize for this interruption, but we have just invented the talking picture, allowing you to experience both talking with pictures concurrently. Please do not be alarmed by hearing the actor's voice for the first time. We shall now resume this public service film.
Well, I suppose I really do despise being in a serious rush. You know, these people these days are so keen to get where they're going. They dilly-dally all over the shop. You see, you go left and they go left, and you go right and they go right, and up and they follow, and down and they follow. But yes, it's just far too busy these days.
And now we shall follow the woes of this distracted gentleman. You just hate when the wind musses up your hair. And here is our gentleman again, hard at work. Alas, he's distracted by the radio, no less. He might attempt to be productive, but as he has found out, the distraction of the radio is all too welcome. And how come your loved ones never reply? And here we see the issue of the handheld radio that everyone possesses these days. Don't you just hate when you've lost signal with your new handheld radio device? He's found it. We can now listen to his program in peace, no matter what the time. And after a hard day, with his radio handheld device, what better than to put it to bed at 3 a.m. Oh dear, I bet he'd wished he'd turned in earlier. Reading, are we? Oh dear, someone's caught on.
Manners? Where are manners these days? You know, they seem to be just absent in our society. You see, you might go to open a door for a lady or gentleman, they might doff their hat. What do you want? I'm in the middle of an interview, boy. You insolent little child. Never call here again. Never. Be quiet! Yes, goodbye! Goodbye to you forever! See, no manners at all. There was a threepence for the entry, was it? Oh, sorry, just a second. The fuel price has gone through the barn roof! Threepence, was it? Hello!
Hang on.
What?
I recognise you.
What do you mean?
I've had enough of your game.
What do you say, sir?
I'm not giving you any more threepence.
Very rude of you.
You can't fool me. Get out.
And there we have it, dear viewers. I may well be down to sixpence, but I hope you have learned from this to not take life too seriously, and to put down your handheld device every once in a while, and enjoy the beautiful, fleeting moments of life. Toodle-pip. Cheerio.